Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Overwatch 2 error called rendering device lost. First, we will fix possible driver problems. If this error started after a recent graphics driver update, you need to remove the current driver and install a stable one. Download and install the NVIDIA driver version 566.36. This version is known to be stable for Overwatch 2. During installation, choose a clean installation option if available. Once finished, restart your PC again. If you are using an AMD GPU, you can search for a stable driver version and install that one. Next, we will scan and repair the game files. Open the Battle.net launcher and go to Overwatch 2. Next to the play button, click the gear icon. From the menu, select Scan and Repair. The launcher will now check the game files and fix anything that is missing or corrupted. Wait until the process is fully complete before moving on. Finally, we will reset the game settings. Close Overwatch 2 and the Battle.net launcher. Open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder. Find the folder named Overwatch and delete it. This will reset in-game settings and cache files. Do not worry, your account progress is saved online. After completing these steps, launch Overwatch 2 again and check if the error is gone. Thanks for watching.